Get ready for fast, even cooking with the Black & Decker 6-slice convection countertop oven. The oven fits pizzas up to 9 inches wide and begins baking immediately. No preheating required. The all-new design of the oven interior focuses heat towards the cooking area. Infrared energy comes from the heating element and gets redirected towards food, improving efficiency and speeding up cooking times. Plus, updated convection technology circulates warm air throughout the oven for even cooking with pizza, snacks, leftovers, and more. The large glass window lets you keep an eye on food, while the dual-position oven rack gives you added cooking flexibility, and the bake pan quickly slides food in and out of the oven. Cooking functions include bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Achieve perfection with a dedicated toast timer that allows for precise toasting. And the 60-minute precision timer features stay-on functionality for longer tasks. New design, improved technology, fast, even cooking. The 6-slice convection countertop oven from Black & Decker.
Introducing the Smart Oven Pro by Breville. 10 menu functions suggest the ideal cooking temperature and time. And you can watch it all with the interior oven light. Let's see it in action. Toast, roast, bake, broil, slow cook, and more. The Smart Oven Pro, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Calphalon knows that perfect results begin with precise, even heat. And the new Calphalon quartz heat countertop oven delivers. With 11 precision cooking functions and even heat technology to carefully regulate temperature and generate 40% more even heat. So no matter what you're making, it will be evenly baked, dehydrated, or crisp. The turbo convection feature circulates air quickly and evenly for perfection in every serving. Calphalon Appliances.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the DeLonghi 9-in-1 air fry, convection oven, broiler, and baker that comes with pizza and cookie presets. DeLonghi says that this 9-in-1 air fry convection oven delivers quick, crispy results with minimal oil. The brand markets this air fry convection oven as a more compact, energy-efficient alternative to a full-size oven. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi air fry oven is a versatile countertop appliance that can do almost everything your range can do in only a fraction of the space. We especially liked that it could air fry and had special settings for cookies and pizza alongside the typical countertop oven features. We could see using an appliance like this to completely replace our toaster and air fryer, or to supplement a normal range for bigger meals. We were especially impressed with how little heat the oven generated, even though we used it for several hours straight. Now the cons. Because the cook time starts immediately after the preheating is finished for most functions, you need to be ready to put your food in the oven as soon as it's heated to the right temperature. We also noticed that it's difficult to get the rack into the lowest position unless the handle on the door completely clears the countertop when opened. The air fryer takes longer than our traditional air fryer to cook, but you don't have to air fry in batches since you have a bigger basket. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Air Fry Convection Oven is a convenient and easy-to-use way to cook most of your favorite dishes. The 9 presets make it simple to put together a meal without giving much thought to temperature settings and cook times. And the large glass door and internal light allows you to check in on your food quickly and easily. It looks sleek and doesn't take up a lot of space or throw off much heat, making it a great option to replace several appliances at once in your kitchen.